said to you was just her life. And now you left heartbroken and things seem so strange. Cause you can't believe that the girl of your dreams you see that stupid game and makes you wanna say fuck the bitch. I don't need the shit. I'm gonna live like it's a police and I have no regrets. So fuck the bitch. I don't need the shit. I'm gonna smoke weed, feel high like the shit. So fuck the bitch. I don't need the shit. I'm gonna live like it's a police and I have no regrets. So fuck the bitch. I don't need the shit. I'm gonna smoke weed, feel high like it's legit. Oh yeah.
Shut up. He's watching Scooby-Doo. Huh? Oh shit. I can't even keep the camera still and laugh at this fucking cat.